This is the theorem of dividing of fractions. The theorem is when A over B divided by C over D, it will change the reciprocal of C over D is equals to A over B times C over D. We change the operation from division to multiplication, and so B, C, and D is not equal to 0. This is the example of the following theorem. 10k over 12 divided by 5k over 3 will change the reciprocal of 10k over 12 times 3k over 5k, 3 over 5k I mean, and change the sign, and change the operation from division to multiplication, and 10k times 3 is equals to 30k, 12k times 5k is equals to 60k. This 30k over 60k is the correct answer, but you can reduce it to lowest term into 1/2. Thank you.